Is it just me? It feels like I'm working so hard, but I'm just stuck. Always waiting for that next paycheck, never really getting ahead. Is this just how it is?
Hey, Allie, and everyone watching. Feeling trapped? You are not alone. But listen up. Today, we're hitting the reset button. It's time to take control and build the future you deserve. It's George from Finance Made Easy now. Taking control of your money? It's absolutely crucial. Why? Because it leads to financial freedom and that sweet, sweet peace of mind. That feeling? It's incredible. In this video, we're diving into practical tips and strategies, simple, actionable steps to manage your finances, start tackling debt, and even think about investing in your future. We're covering it all. Look, financial struggles are super common. So many people, just like Allie here, face challenges like overspending, not having a budget, and watching debt pile up. It can feel totally overwhelming, maybe even impossible to overcome, right?
Exactly. It's like, no matter how fast I run, I'm just stuck in the same place, always waiting for payday, always stressed. It's exhausting.
Overspending is a major issue. It leads straight to debt and instability, and trying to manage money without a budget? That makes it crazy hard to track anything or make smart choices. People often overlook budgeting, but it's vital. And debt can be crippling, messing with your options and feeling like a never-ending cycle. It's essential to face it and make a plan. Okay, deep breath, Allie. Financial challenges can be overcome with the right strategies and mindset. Taking control is achievable, and it starts with small steps. Ready for some practical moves? First things first, you gotta track your expenses. Seriously, know where your money is actually going. Use a notebook, an app, whatever. Just get aware. This is fundamental. Next up, create a budget. This is your plan, your roadmap. It tells your money where to go before you spend it. It's about making conscious decisions, not restricting fun. Need help getting started with tracking and budgeting? I made something just for you. Grab my free Simple Budget Starter Sheet. Link is right down there in the description. It makes setting up your first budget way easier. A cool guideline to try? The 50-30-20 rule. Aim for 50% of your income for necessities, 30% for discretionary spending, the fun stuff, and a solid 20% towards saving and paying down debt. It's a balanced approach. Want a game-changing strategy? Automate your savings and investments. Set it up so that money moves automatically when you get paid. It builds wealth over time without you even thinking about it. When you start investing, like in a retirement account, remember diversification. Spreading your investments helps reduce risk and increase potential returns. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Hey, real quick, if you're getting value here, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. We share tons of financial advice and resources to help you win with money. All right, listen close, Allie. This is a powerful insight that can totally change how you approach money. Build an emergency fund. This is your safety net. Life throws curveballs. Unexpected costs pop up. Having this fund means you can handle them without derailing your goals or going into debt. It provides massive peace of mind and stability. The target? Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of essential living expenses saved up in an easy-to-access account. People often underestimate this, but it's crucial for financial stability.
Wow, okay. So it's not just about defense. It actually gives you freedom. Freedom to maybe plan that trip without worrying so much. I like the sound of that.
So, let's recap the mission. Taking control of your finances is achievable and crucial for your financial health. Create that budget, track those expenses, make smart decisions, build that emergency fund. Remember, Allie, and everyone watching, this is a long-term process. It takes time. Stay consistent, stay patient, and celebrate the small wins along the way. Now it's your turn. What are your go-to money management tips? Share them in the comments below. Let's build a community of support. And seriously, grab that free Simple Budget Starter Sheet link below. It's the perfect tool to take action today. If this video fired you up, hit that like button. It helps us reach more people. And definitely subscribe and hit the bell for more resources to help you achieve financial freedom. All right, team, that's a wrap. Remember, the power's in your hands. Take that first step. Start today. Seize control of your money and build the future you want. You absolutely got this.